Do you want to see a beautiful penthouse duplex with a nice price just 5 minutes away from the beach? Come, I will show you. We're located in Altemar complex, right next to the Golden Mile, surrounded by shops, restaurants and everything you may need. Inside this penthouse we have 82 square meters space spread across 2 floors. The main level features a bright living room, a modern open-plan kitchen and a guest toilet. On the main floor there's as well 2 balconies, perfect for fresh air and morning coffee. Upstairs there are 2 bedrooms with built-in wardrobes and a full bathroom with a shower. On the second floor there is as well 3rd balcony, giving you even more outdoor space. The complex has beautiful community gardens and swimming pool. As well, Penthouse comes with its own parking space and storage room, all included in the price. If you're looking for home or investment in southern Tenerife, prime location, this penthouse will be perfect for you. If you are interested, contact us in Luxury Vault Properties and we'll be happy to show you it in person. See you soon in sunny Playa de las Américas. Bye!